Often when we quote new equipment for a customer, they want to know if their electricity bill is going to decrease. The energy efficiency of equipment keeps getting better and better. It's most likely that a new piece of equipment installed is going to be more efficient than what you have. Particularly if your equipment is 10 years old, the difference is substantial. How much money does that relate to? That is really an individual thing. You can expect some savings in a home in which the majority of their power usage is their air conditioning or heating unit. They will experience a greater savings than in a home that has a lot of other appliances. You will expect a decrease, and hopefully the power company doesn't offset it by a rate increase.